Let's leave the past behind. Walk with me. There's something else we need to find.
Hello everyone, we are officially in Utah, and as we were driving we saw signs to coral pink sand dunes, and so here we are from the highway, and you can access the state park off of Highway 100, but you have to drive about 10 more miles into the state park to get to the sand dunes, to this particular sand dunes. But from afar, these sand dunes does reflect pink. It's so pretty. But up close, it's more like a color between light brown, light pink, a cross between light brown and light pink. And the texture of the sand, it is super fine, and it has like a shimmer to it. It's almost like burnt orange even, the color. And it is soft and fluffy underneath your feet. So I definitely recommend to quickly visit this area if you have time. It's definitely a hidden gem.
Say you'll go, don't make me wait. There's no need to hesitate.
We're at Bryce Canyon Lodge, and we had just had our lunch, a quick lunch, so that we have energy to explore the park. We are now at Bryce Canyon, and I am so excited that we were able to squeeze in this national park in our itinerary. We just decided to visit, or to make the visit, about 2 days ago. We thought it might be too overwhelming to visit this national park, but there is actually only one north to south 18-mile road with one entrance and exit. So it's very doable as a family to have a self-guided driving tour. So we decided to just hit lookouts of the really well-known areas of the park, such as this one, the amphitheater. I'm excited to see all the other hoodoos that this park has to offer.
Let's make miracles. Come hold my hand. Let's find something new. Me and you. Blue is the sky, like the color of your eyes.
All right, so we are done with our visit to Bryce Canyon. It is so breathtaking. I think I say that in every national park that we visited, but really, truly, you wouldn't see anything like it in the West, or the West Coast. All the hoodoos, all the colors, just I think very unique to this area. So you have to visit for yourself to really truly appreciate the beauty of the landscape. are now in our tiny house. Actually, it's not so tiny. It fits 3 adults and 4 kids. Like 4 adults and 3 kids pretty well. It's even got a kitchen. It'll be so nice to have home cooked meals by my fam bam, since I don't cook. And the next 2 nights are until we leave for home. Dinner was great. So my compliments and gratitude to all the chefs. We have one more big activity left before we close this vacation, and I'm actually pretty anxious and nervous over it. Hopefully we don't run into any issues or challenges and that we complete it smoothly. So, to follow this adventure and past and future travels, I invite you to click that subscribe and bell icon below to get notified of new videos. And for real-time photos and video clips, check out my Instagram page at Assetimages and my Facebook page at Assetimages. So from my mind's eye to yours, definitely more to come. Thanks for watching.